Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Sifu game on your PC. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the control settings for the game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sifu game on your device. And once you're inside the main menu, before starting your game, go ahead and click on Options. Now from the Options page, click on Remapping. And now you can choose your input device between keyboard and a controller. If you have a controller, then you may change the controller buttons from the presets here as well. And if you're using keyboard, make sure to choose the keyboard. And now you can change your buttons. From the preset menu, you can click on the arrow to choose custom. And now you will be allowed to choose all of your control settings. Just click on whichever button you wish to use for any action. And this button will now be set as your new input key. Now, following the same step, you can redefine all of your desired buttons and keys. And once you are done, go back using the backspace key. And when you are prompted, make sure to save your changes. After this, you can go ahead and start your game with your chosen control settings right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the control settings within the Sifu game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.